Hey fam, this is Miss Arlene coming to you. Sorry, my phone kept ringing, kept getting knocked off by video calls, but here's the finished result of the banana pudding. There's the S for Sienna, A for Ariana, and the R for Rayshawn, which his name is Aaron Rayshawn. I couldn't find another A, so I just put an R there. But this is the banana pudding. Okay. The greens is done. I can cut them off. Y'all already seen that the chicken was done. Ooh, the heat is hot. And here is the dressing. The dressing is done now. So, my dinner is done. Dressing, green done, dressing done, corn on the cob done. Potato salad is done, cornbread is done, banana pudding is done, chicken is done. And I guess y'all wondering why I'm cooking all this. Well, for one, my grandkids supposed to been coming over, but their mom just came and said she taking them out to College Inn. I said, for what? You know they were supposed to been coming over here. You know they were supposed to be. I said, okay, y'all go ahead and do your thing, but this a meal for a whole week or two for me. Trust or believe, Arlene ain't gonna throw this meal away. I probably put the greens in a bag and freeze it. And call my son, tell him come get this dressing. But yeah. So this video that I'm doing, when I get ready to do it, upload it, it's gonna be clips of me putting everything together. Okay, y'all stay blessed, stay prayed up. Love each and every last one of y'all. And I hope y'all like the video of Cooking with Arlene. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.